ano, bagay kay Fiang yung Little Mermaid. Kasi yung Little Mermaid parang 17 years old lang eh. Hindi ko alam ba't yun yung naisip ko na Little Mermaid. Because the song is about longing for love, longing to be part of whatever world. And I thought, siguro yun yung iniisip ni Little Mermaid. Parang yun yung feeling ko. Yun yung, kasi iba yung world niya eh, diba? Taga-dagat siya eh, bilang siya isang isda. Parang naisip ko, it would be nice to have a young girl and a young boy na parang be part of my music video and tell a story about love and longing.
And you really like yung turnout naman?
I love it. I love it. At magaling din kasi yung mga gumawa. Sorry, hindi ko na ma-mention kung sino yung mga gumawa. Pero isang buong production group sila. Ang galing. Ang ganda yung mga effects. Maganda. Talagang pinaghirapan. Hindi, and actually all the videos that we came out with, hindi naman yun parang, ito na yun. Talagang pinag-iisipan namin bawat music video. Like the one of Yolo, yung, even the one with yung mga pictures lang, or nag-shoot pa kami sa isang lugar na hindi naman normally nag-shoot doon, but we asked permission, so we're able to do it. So, yeah.
Did you tell them everything?
Ganun year, di ba marami naman sa atin nag-reset talaga sa health, or career, or whatever. But as far as my music is concerned, parang I wanted to sing my old songs, mga recorded ko in the past, and give it a different life, give it a different arrangement. So, kaya naisip ka, reset.
Ito, for nights.